Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And it looks like the Trump trade is back on, folks. The NASDAQ has crossed the 6,000 level for the first time, and the Dow's had two straight triple-digit gains, leading me to wonder if indeed the Trump trade is back on. So what do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And let's get right to it. We'll take a look at the markets. As you can see, we're in our portfolio view here in Market Club, and you noticed that the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones both have new green weekly trade triangles indicating a move back to long position, indicated by the yellow box around this green trade triangles right here. With that, we'll start with the S&P 500. Currently trading at 2,389.45 with a new green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position with a chart analysis score of plus 100. Key level to watch would be 2,328.95. A move below that level would issue a new red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading back above the 21,000 level at 21,022.13, up about 1.25% today. Have a chart analysis score of plus 100. Key level to watch for the Dow would be 20,379.55. A move below that level would issue a new red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. And check out the impressive move by the NASDAQ here. Currently trading at 6,028.35, an all-time high for the NASDAQ above that 6,000 level. Chart analysis score currently plus 100 with a key level to watch of 5,806.73. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index down about 0.4% today. We had that weekly red trade triangle that we're looking for at 99.25 or 29 on the 23rd, indicating a move to a short position for the U.S. dollar. Chart analysis score currently negative 100 with red trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch would be 101.26. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the U.S. dollar. Gold currently trading at 1,265.70 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating a sidelines position based on a green weekly and a red daily trade triangle. Currently looking for a key level to watch, 1,280. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move back to gold. We also want to take a look and keep a close eye on the level of 1,248.20. That level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a short position for gold. So being gold's in the sidelines right now with the chart analysis score plus 55, it really could go either way right at the moment. Crude oil currently trading at 49.35. We had our weekly red trade triangle that we were looking for at 49.20 with a chart analysis score negative 90, indicating a short position for crude oil. Seems to be heading back down to this support level of $48, coming on news of OPEC and supply in the U.S. Key level to watch will be 50.22. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position, 50.22. And I thought we'd take a look at a couple trades. I was doing some research on Starbucks the other day with their unicorn frappuccino, seeing it get up here around the highs of $61 with the chart analysis score plus 100. Pretty impressive move by Starbucks. If you didn't get in the trade, you had an opportunity here with a new green weekly trade triangle at 57.38 to get in on the 27th of last month. But we'll go ahead and we'll update two stocks that I've been tracking. C&Q is currently up today, about a little over 1% at 33.15. Chart analysis score plus 90 with green trade triangles across the board. Of course, we have our stop set at 32.23, which was tested here. Pretty close, got down to 32.27 on Friday, but it did not trigger, so we're still long C&Q, looking for it to resume higher. And we have our big winner, Alibaba. That we've had currently trading 115.26, up about 0.4% today. Quite an increase from our monthly entry at 104.57 with the chart analysis score plus 100. We'll go and take a look here at a weekly chart. Last week I gave you your stop, I believe it was around 107. I'm actually going to update something I do once a stock really gets into a nice profit range that I'm happy with. I'll go ahead and adjust my stop to what I think the appropriate level will be. And with the gap up this week, I'm going to go ahead and set my stop here at the 110.30 level, which would be the low last week. So key level to watch for Alibaba would be 110.30. Lock in some nice profits from our entry around the 104.50 level. And we also, I thought, might today take a quick look and just kind of a reminder for all the members out there and maybe some new people that are thinking about coming to Market Club, how easy it is to find new trades in Market Club. And what we're going to do is click on the trade triangle scan here. And as it pulls up, this is our scanning technology that lets you easily go through each day and find new stocks to trade. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep our first drop down menu here at equity. And we're going to change this to volume greater than 2 million because you want to trade stocks that have some liquidity to them, which offers you protection and they don't get manipulated as easily when there's lots of volume. Monthly trade triangles, and we're just going to go ahead and search today since we've had a big day in the markets today and see what we get. And here we go. We have a couple new stocks hitting new trade triangles today. And I can tell you, one of the questions I really get asked a lot is, how do I narrow this field down? And I can tell you right now that Caterpillar and Terex with the 7% gain and 8% gain were obviously a huge gap up to the upside. So I kind of want to stay away from that because that's a little bit of volatility around the earnings. But we do want to take a look at Norvodisk. And what I'll do is here, I'll hold down my control button on the keyboard and click the chart icon, and that'll open up a new tab, which you can't see at the top of my screen. But that'll easily let you pull up the chart. And we'll go back here, change it to a daily. As you can see, we had a weekly here on 34.63, and we had a new monthly today at 37.08. Could be a potential trade with a chart analysis score of plus 90. Volume's good, up around what are we looking at here? A little around 2 million today, right? What we're looking for. That'd be something I would take a look maybe the next day or two, see how it reacts, if it has a little backslide to get a better entry. But that's how easy it is to find potential trades in Market Club using the trade triangle technology and our scanning capabilities. With that, every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back again this week to update the markets.